You know what's crazy? Most people want to change their life, but they lose the battle before the day even begins. Not because they're lazy, but because they wake up like victims, not creators. The silent trap. The alarm rings. They scroll. They drown their mind in everyone else's life before they even look at their own. That's how most people start their mornings, in reaction mode. And your brain? It learns patterns. So if your first action is escape, don't expect your mind to handle discomfort later in the day. The shift begins. But what if you flipped that pattern? What if the first 10 minutes after waking weren't about dopamine, but direction? The moment your eyes open, get up. No negotiation. No 5 more minutes. Your brain is listening. It wants to know, are you in charge today or not? The core routine. Move your body the second you wake up. Push-ups, squats, stretching, it doesn't matter. You're not training your muscles, you're training momentum. Then face cold water, even for a few seconds. You'll hate it, but that's the point. Your brain starts associating pain with power. After that, sit still. Breathe, journal, reflect, because discipline means nothing if you don't know why you're doing it. And before the world gets noisy, create something. Read a page, write an idea, take one small step toward your goal. Start your day by moving you forward. The science of change. When you move early, your brain releases proteins that grow new connections. When you face cold water, your stress response rewires. When you start your day with clarity, you're literally reprogramming your identity. That's not motivation, that's neuroscience. The real transformation. At first, it's hard. Then, it feels boring. But somewhere along the way, it starts to feel powerful. You walk differently. You talk differently. Because you're no longer someone trying to change. You are change. Outro. Your morning isn't just a routine. It's a message to your future. And if you send the right one every day for 30 days, you won't just wake up earlier. You'll wake up as someone new.